InfiRay P2 Pro thermal imager thermal camera. This is the video you must watch. First shipped by now, 1 year warranty. Okay, if you want to buy this product, please check video description. Versatile thermal camera, InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera for phone, infrared thermal imager, PCB circuit repair, industrial heating test, and also night vision. Go P2. Already 164 sold, 41 reviews and ratings 4.8, 50% off. Actual price $478, and after 50% discount, this is the discount price. If you want to buy this product, please check video description.